So on our acrylic design and laser cutting portion of our innovative building and engineering unit, you guys are going to be working with Canva to create 3 designs. Now you're going to draw these designs first, and then we will get into Canva. And I know you guys have used Canva before, so this should be pretty familiar. If it doesn't immediately load for you, you can either go here or here to open this up, and you might be redirected. If you're impatient, you can go ahead and click on that. It'll take you to Canva. Now, we don't want you doing anything here because this is the template that we've made, and you guys won't have access to edit this. So what you're going to do is go to File, make a copy, and on your copy, I would like you to not do that. I would like you to replace this copy of, and go ahead and put your name. I'm going to put my name for the time being, and I like to add hyphens. You don't have to do that. That's just how I do things. All right, so you can see here you've got 3 different designs. These are set up already for the size that we're going to be engraving on. So you don't want to put anything outside of here because you won't be able to see it. So the laser is going to engrave the color black. It'll show up white when we engrave it. But what you guys are going to do is make your designs here. So you have page 1, page 2, page 3. So you're going to have to make 3 different designs. So what I would like you to do is you can go to upload, and you can upload. So you can see I've already got ones that have uploaded. Let me go ahead and just remove these just so you guys can see the full process there. So I'm going to go to upload files, and I'm going to go find an image that I want to use. So a lot of stuff here. So I'm just going to go ahead and maybe I have something in, I would have thought I would have had something right here, but let's say I want to do this image. So I'm just going to bring this in, and it's going to load. I'll click it to add it to my document. Okay, I want to make sure whatever I'm making is going to be as big as possible. So I'm going to drag those corners there. Okay, so that I can have it nice and big. And then another thing I want you to do is use the transparency here. So if you click on this little checker pattern, and you can just drag this, okay, and drag it as light as you can where you can still see it. Somewhere around 30 to 50 is fine. And then the next thing I want you to do is you can go ahead and lock that. So if you click here, you'll lock it so you can't click on it and do anything to it. Won't be able to move it around. And in the assignment here, if I go back, there's also going to be this PDF that will walk me through these steps. And those steps are going to be basically what I'm showing you here. So if you need to, for some reason, unlock it, you can do that. You can also right-click to lock and unlock. Okay, but we're just going to have that locked. Once you have it locked into place, you can go to Tools, and there are drawing tools here. And we have a thin blue pen here. We can change the width of it. Okay, so you can see the size of that. So you want to make that whatever size you want. Okay, but you just want your color set to black. Okay, so then you can go through and start tracing. Now I would trace little bits at a time. The reason I would do that is because if you mess up and you undo, you're going to lose everything that you undo. So I would stop every now and then, and I would just trace out the things that you want. Okay, and that's basically what you're going to do for your designs. The more work you put in it, the better it's going to look. So once you have your first design done, you're going to do those same steps here. I'll upload another image, or if you took a photo of the drawing that you made and you want to bring that in, that's fine. But when you are done, you need to turn off this this picture because we only want to have whatever we traced. So if I go in, I can always right click and go to unlock, and then I can just delete it. And then I'll be left with whatever my picture is. So you're going to do that for all of them because we don't want to have that picture in there. When you're ready to export this, So let's say you got all 3 completed. You can go to share. You can share it with the teachers. So you can go ahead and put in, one of your teachers' names. I don't know if that'll bring it up. If it doesn't let you, that's fine. But you can share it with your teachers. Okay. We're going to download. We're going to change our file type to a PDF. Okay. It's not going to really matter too much for the laser engraving if you pick the standard one or the print one. This one's higher quality, but it's going to take longer to upload, so we'll just go with the standard one. Okay, you want to make sure you're downloading all 3 pages, and then you're going to click download, which should put it there, which you'll be able to share with the teachers by uploading it.